Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hair, and if you want to know how I achieved this hair, please keep on watching this video. And after watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much for your support, and let's get started. So I'm starting off by spraying water on my hair because my hair feels really dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Blue Magic Hair Food to moisturize my hair. I could stay like this, forever following you. So this is the hair I'm using. It's called Dali Superstar and it's hot water set. It's very necessary to buy hot water set extension when you are doing this type of hair. Just don't get too far and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be. So since this is going to be a short braid, I'm going to braid the hair halfway. Then I'm going to take a tiny pieces like I'm doing right now. I'm going to use it to tie the hair just to secure it. Now that I am finally done braiding the hair, I'm going to go ahead and start using my scissors to cut out the extra hair. I'm also going to be using rubber band to secure the ends very well. Guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.